Hello my lovelies, it's Odette and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, for clicking on this video today. I do appreciate you guys so much, and of course I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. And so today I do have a haul for you guys. It's a beauty haul, so we're gonna get right into this video. So we are going to start with this beautiful red cosmetic bag, and I showed you guys this sometime back in a previous video, and I was talking about the Elizabeth Arden Advanced Ceremide Lift and Firm Eye Cream. I had gotten a sample from Shoppers Drug Mart, and the eye cream was so good. I went back to get another sample. It was sold out, and I thought, you know what, because the eye cream is so good, I bought the full size of the product. And when you buy the full size, you get a gift with purchase, and I had promised to come back and show you guys what's in this beautiful little bag. It is leather, beautiful red zipper on here. You can take this on holidays. You can pack all of your makeup products in here. You can use it as a clutch as well, like if you're going out in the evening and stuff like that. And beautiful gold zipper with the red. It is beautiful. So let me show you exactly what's inside. You do have 6 sample items on the inside. And we are going to start with this sample of this perfume from Elizabeth Arden. It is called White Tea. And here it be. It's almost a little bit less than half because I have been using it. It smells so good. It is a very soft, warm scent. And I don't know how much the full size bottle is, but I'm actually thinking about it because it is so good. It smells amazing. And this is the night cream. It's an anti-aging overnight cream. Okay, you do have that in here. And this is intense moisturizing hand treatment. And this is the 8-hour skin cream. Okay, you do have in here the anti-aging, this is a daily serum. And this is the anti-aging eye serum. So you do have 6 sample sizes in here. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, and of course the perfume sample makes 6. So you get 6 beautiful sample items in this beautiful bag. And again, you can take this wherever you want. If you're going on holidays on a cruise, pack all of your makeup products in here. You can throw in your setting spray, a little eyeshadow palette, whatever you want, you can put in here as well. It is just lovely. And again, this is the full size bottle of eye cream. It's called the Advanced Ceremide Lift and Firm Eye Cream from Miss Elizabeth Arden. The eye cream is so good, and I actually swear by that eye cream. And I repurchased this foundation here from Clinique, and I went down a shade. I tested myself in store, and I was shocked. My regular shade could not fit. It was too dark. I had to return it. And this is number 94, and this is what I'm wearing on my face today. And I have shown you guys this Bioderm anti-serum. This is a shine control. So this is what I do have under my makeup today. And this is a product here from Clinique. I do like their foundation, but I only wish that their packaging would have been a little bit larger because this is kind of a high price. And I actually, that's just my only negative opinion about this, but the foundation is good. And this is a deep neutral shade because my undertone is neutral. And when I purchased this foundation from Shoppers, I was given a beautiful bag, and I thought, like, what's happening here today? Like, what is going on? And so this is the bag that I was given. It's Nina Ricci tote, and I was really surprised. And I said, like, what's going on here? Is it like an event or something that's going on here at Shoppers today? And this is a beautiful tote bag, and it has lovely closure just to the top and a deep pocket on the inside. And I will be wearing the hell out of this bag this summer because I can put everything in this bag. Shoes, laptop, diary, lunch, everything can fit into that bag. And That's why sometimes I love going to Shoppers Drug Mart, because whenever I walk in, there was something going on and I was really surprised. So if you are living in Canada, Shoppers Drug Mart, go in, buy something. And I didn't think that I was going to get a bag, but I guess I said spend like more than $40, and I got this beautiful bag from Vichy, and I absolutely love that. So next I do have this clarifying daily facial cleanser from Oil of Olay. I've never used this one before, but I'm going to try this one this time. And the reason why I picked this up is because it says sulfate free right on the bottle, because whenever I'm shopping for skincare products, it's going to be alcohol free, sulfate free, and all of those jazz. And I'm looking forward to trying this one. I'm going to leave that in the description box for you guys. So next I do have from Pacifica. This is the Glow Baby Brightening Face Mask. I love their skincare products, but I've never actually used their mask before, so I'm looking forward to trying this. And of course you always have instructions in the back, and this is for all skin types. This has vitamin C and aloe, all the good stuff that's good for your skin. Looking forward to trying that, because masking is a huge part of my skincare routine, and I mask my face every single week, hence the fact that my skin remains so clear all the time. And also from Pacifica, I do have the vegan Ceremide hydration under eye patches, and you can actually see the fluids on the inside. And I've never used eye patches, I don't think, in a while, but because this brand is so amazing, I thought I should pick these up. And you can actually see the liquids in here. It's probably just two, not sure if they are reusable, but I will let you guys know. Looking forward to trying this one here. And I do have some samples that was given to me from Shoppers Drug Mart. And this is from Strivectin. I have never used anything from this brand before. And this is the Brighten Nourishing Reboot. This is the night cream. This is just a sample right here. And also from Strivectin, this is Brighten, Hydrate and Rejuvenate. And this is the Brighten Eye Cream. I'm looking forward to using that. And they're throwing some samples of perfume from Giorgio Armani, and this one is called, let me just show you. I just can't even begin to say that name before I butcher it. And of course it is almost finished, but I gotta tell you guys, this perfume here, when I spray this on my hand, it's giving me grandma scent. But when this settles down, when it dries down, it smells really nice. You may, yeah, it really does give you that, oh my God. You know, like your grandmother, when you go into her bedroom and you go under her bed, you know, you get that sort of a dusty scent. That's what I'm getting from this one. But like I said, when it dries down, it it smells all right. And this one is called My Way from Giorgio Armani again. And this one does not smell too bad, because as you can see, it's a little bit more less than half. And this is also a very nice one. The only thing about this is that it is very floral. So if you're somebody who don't like floral scents, or if you are sensitive to floral scents, this is not going to be for you. But when this settles down on your skin, the floral scent disappears just a little bit, but it is a little bit strong, but it smells really nice. But I mean, the white tea from Elizabeth Arden is what I really love as well. And from Decros Techniques, and I had no idea this brand had hair products. And this is a shampoo. Looking forward to using that. I got 2 samples of those. And they're throwing a few more samples from Avene, and this is exfoliating serum from Vichy. I'm actually using the full-size product right now. I don't think I've actually shown you guys that one. This is from Vichy. This is a collagen specialist. This is a brightening serum as well. Also from Avene, this is a Brightening Day Cream. And from Avene, this is the concentrated Plumping Serum. Okay, looking forward to trying that. And from Neostrata, this has Retinol. This is a firming cream. Okay. And I got a sample from La Roche-Posay. This is the sunscreen SPF 60. And I remember last year I think I had a sample of this from La Roche-Posay in one of these little things, and I felt that my skin was a little bit irritated. And I mean, I don't know why, but I think I'm going to try this again, although I prefer the one from Biore, which I showed you guys, the water cream. That sunscreen is amazing. It doesn't leave any white films on your face. But I'm going to try this SPF of 60, right? So we'll see how that goes. And because I'm trying to protect my skin as much as I can as I'm getting older, especially coming up this summer, I am going to be definitely wearing sunscreen. And the last thing I'm going to show you guys is from D'Alba, and you can get this from Amazon. And this is an aromatic spray serum, and this has truffles in it. And you can get this from Amazon, and this is the product right here. So when you get it, as you can see, it's a little bit yellow on top and clear to the bottom, and you have to just shake this up. This is an incredible, beautiful spray. This is going to hydrate your skin, brighten your skin, make your skin look like porcelain. It's going to really, really make your skin look absolutely beautiful. I mean, I've shown you guys all of my facial sprays, but this one here has taken the cake. I'm going to tell you something. The Korean skincare, it's taken over the world. Okay, it's here in North America, it's taken over the world, and it is doing really well. This is a Korean skincare product. So I spray this on before I put my makeup on, and I can spray this over my makeup like so. Just a little bit. You can go in, yes, with your setting spray, but you can also put a little bit of this on top as well, and it's going to settle on your face, and it's going to make your makeup look so... It's going to make your makeup last all day. It's going to look so pretty, so settled. It's going to look mattified. It's going to give you that little sense of glow on your skin while your skin looks mattified, if you know what I mean. It is an amazing spray. I am not gatekeeping this. I'm sharing this with you guys. And every time you check Amazon, this is sold out. So when I purchased this from Amazon, it had one left, and this is one that I purchased, and when I went back it was sold out. But you have to always keep checking Amazon for this. Again, it's a Korean skincare product, and it works amazingly well. And again, it's under my makeup, plus it's over my makeup as well, if you guys can see. It didn't shift my powder, it didn't shift my eyelashes, it didn't shift my lipstick, it didn't shift everything. It is absolutely beautiful. And again, let me just give you guys a good screenshot right here. But I'm also going to leave this in the description box for you guys. And there we be. And so this is the end of the video. We are going to leave it here for today. This is the end of this haul. Everything we talk about will be down in the description box below. If you get a chance to go to Shoppers Drug Mart to get one of those tote bags, will be wonderful. If you pick up the Advanced Ceremide Lift and Firm Eye Cream from Elizabeth Arden, you will get a gift with purchase. I'm not quite sure if all of the stores carry the promotion, but you can just double check. And I talk about drugstore skincare products for the longest while, especially since I was going through my skincare journey, and you can get amazing, beautiful skincare products from the drugstore that will allow you to clear your skin. Yes, there are expensive skincare brands, but I want to be able to keep it neutral and low, and I've shown you so many beautiful products you can use. I mean, it depends on your skin type as well, and I love the way my skin is looking right now. I'm just wearing I'm wearing the actual foundation from Clinique today. This is my NW46 powder. The lipstick, I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'm going to leave it down below for you guys. Pencil in my brows, lashes, that's it. That's all I do have on my face today. And there we go. Anywho, thank you guys so much for coming in today for another video. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. Everything is going to be down below for you guys. And I shall see you next time. Toodles!